Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to write prompts for the chat in NotebookLM. So when it gets to the real nitty-gritty about NotebookLM, it's the chat, right? It's an artificial intelligence bot. You can ask it anything based on the sources that you've got selected. That's where the real power is. So when it comes to getting the most out of NotebookLM, one of the things you're going to want to get good at is writing prompts for the chat. Now, the prompt is your opportunity to tell the chat bot exactly what it is you're looking for. The more details you can provide, the closer it will be to matching what you want the response to look like. If you don't give it a lot of direction, you could get just about anything. Now, it will probably still be about what you're asking about, but you could get a lot of different types of responses. If you know what you're looking for, it's definitely worthwhile to add that into the prompt. For example, I've got some sources selected on the left about the Industrial Revolution and the effects on education, plus the one on progressive education. So I can tailor the response to whatever my prompt is by including the information in the prompt. So I can just do something like acting as a progressive politician, write a critique of the industrial model for education and provide 3 talking points for me to use on the campaign trail. So I enter that as the prompt. It's thinking, but it's also going to take my prompt, and when it responds, it's going to use what I've included up here in terms of like creating and tailoring this response and structuring it. It's going to influence the language that it uses and stuff like that. So I get something that's much more useful to me, although I'm not a politician running for office. I'm not an expert on the Industrial Revolution's effect on education by any stretch of the imagination, but this gives an idea of how you can tailor the response that you get from the chatbot to be more specific in terms of what you are actually looking for. So, writing good prompts takes practice, and the more you understand about what you're looking for, the better capable you'll be of including that in the prompt to make sure you're getting what you want. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching Low Key PD.